be 2 hours job, 3 hours job, more 5 more hours. More get time for una life than so na dey look people life. It's not called for and it's not good, eh? So you need to come on. I just say I talk all these things before I'll get to you. Madam, me, I know they insult people like that, but I they give advice. You understand? But if you can't take an as insult, it's okay. Me, I know they wrong. Do you understand? Me, I take myself out of. I don't want to answer every video when I see. I they bear them. But it's not easy to bear, but I they bear them. But this one, when I see so, it's no. It's not good, eh? It's not good. So what I'm trying to say is this. You as a woman, as a mature woman, you senior this lady. You understand? The age where you sit a senior, at least you sit a respect yourself. What is all that where you do? It's not called for. That time where they grow, they come before I enter abroad. Our mama go door born finish. Sometimes now when their first daughter one can bring husband, now they'll come tell their papa say, "Well, I'm go your working one. Go and pay your wife back price." They don't born also, we don't grow finish. But my mama not do like that too. Before my mama start to the born, I go show now the picture if I reach Nigeria. Now here my papa do court marriage, white wedding and traditional marriage. But my mama not do like that. Not me say. Now so every mama be no. That time when me they grow, they come and they say and say women go don't born finish for they'll go put money for their head for being there, not be crime. I be una not see, I not say most of them. The queen enter abroad where they supposed to they sleep with their mama for bed. The queen enter abroad, so they don't know how it be. But me they tell una now, say see how it be that time. Woman go don't born finish before they'll come tell and say, okay, since your daughter don't big now, before you go bring ma come us, may you go try put your money for your wife head. Now so they are the two couple they don't advance, they don't come they do one. Not be crime. You not get when you will take marry, when you not go see person wey go admire you. You know they. So why una come put am for head like say who not marry na problem? Okay, she does still marry now. You know come on. Why you do that kind of thing? Even though she fair get wetin she do you. Because me I know if it say I don't know or I know. She get wetin she do. Why you not reply in another way? Not be that day where she did do am or when she show the picture. You for still try get patient. On video, say message to Rita. The way you can't do it now, people will come to look you like enemy of progress. People will come to look you like say this woman not even mature, and which is not good. You understand? You're supposed to let go. As far as say you know assurances then. Why you can't be saying that today you they wait for? It's not good. You be like person where they wait for person. The day where she want born, you go say I will kill that Pikin. It don't make sense, eh? Because this life now front they go, not be back. You don't do things like that. No matter how she do, anything where she do you, the thing pay you, talk to God. God will reward her in any way, but not because you can't react, you can't show your own, you can't do your own, like say, if you know me, I will laugh very yo. I will laugh very yo. I mean, no, ni Emma, so that while we are got on my baby, dove, la who was ye, Emma, Enani Emma, Edo ho. Edo me ahoho edo bie me ahoho ede mi no we hin enwa awe mi no ma ugwe ho ifu bible be tai wa me wa no fie u be gwe vie wa me wa no hoho u be gwe hoho ohun no malaki no we o so eveni hin obege so la hoho my lady eyi we gbe me ri next time o wa ga we ni o ma na ti gwe kwa bobo ni e o me ya luga wa gun me gbe wa fi onu to ipaware megi be ju were ohun wa me megi ju were iwa be swa except den wa be gbe aje kenije again ibe mu we ibe woli biewe eri me ya we mi me bo me ri mu we ye mind idoje be nu me ere opportunity nya ya gbe na hin somebody don already dey grand we wa se wa we gbe mu gbe nya Emma la wo la o always marriage o ma gbo ma wa be we no be yawe o be we nyania wo isunu na e social media na me we a be wo no efi we ri me wa bege wo ni bun e ya wa fi oni ya just and wa ma gbe so egba e we ri oni me like wo na mi ewe o wa gugun amoni tonight e ya we yan ense egba e we ri oni ya gbera ba. You understand? So that is the truth. So my lady la wo you no kokomo. If na e we gbe we the do we e ti command well. But the truth when na on ya to Then no ma ya ma wa gbon. Tama we na na. O ma na we ni ona dawe. Tie ball bunny no full. Woman have a tie ball bunny is okay. But de no who or over no I look ban like ya me daba. I don't so where you are. You have a be part of the platform in that, which is very bad. Man stand. I want one who ho. A life don't have me meal. What kind of thing is all that? Or ma we go or ma we beer. Have a atiable. Have a more warm beer. Woman sure, just let it go. Only mommy get to hate, Woman be congratulations. Ya obey ya enu better, You don't have to wish that person bad. You know why? Because of a mono webie or because of a kenu webie wa ho ma kenu wie. Eye life na ya je. So I don't understand the kind of thing now we so do I behave and do I when you so me do I want that way. You understand? It's not good, You people should please, no matter what, me mama where why when you say because I why here you why give why vie but then me man like not what can I buy. She do I can't do am back. And I mean no. Don't live life like that. If you not talk to that person that particular time, forget it. And if you talk to that person that particular time, anytime what should they do, just forget it. Maybe another person will come answer am. It's okay. But not be you. Not be that victim. Not let you enter that road. Okay, say, why are you lying? Why are you lying? Rita is the first person to congratulate Kate. Okay, you are replying somebody. Okay, you are replying somebody. You see? So that is it. Ehwena make no wana you understand. Ehwena no so wa mure ehitibi ehedan ehazen iya we ehwena we azen ati pepe so mommy la wo inu kokomo imare do tie bo no iwa we ni wa gun na because na mo we ahon ewie so no wa mu gogogo we live video ime wonder ekiama ese emeti ni yai ekiama ese de ba ki agwa calculate ubege make because e laughing now I mi o ma no ma emi ta ko mi le dokpa aro so ga la jania iya afi we ubie no pe eva ubie no pe ha insult ni here that one not be insult we bie no pa ne gbe ma ho we oni ma mi we o ma bie no pe ha gbe ma ho we so we ho a no we ya ye guo pa ni no ri pa yo wa o we da ye guo pa ni na eti ya me yo we to ze o we zuo a ubege so agbon ya zuo a me nuje so the person wa re we la fi yin na o pe na eti gba o yin yin na so pe na eti gba o she can take a walk oni ma mi get us wa oni ebo we because of obie no pe ha or ihun mi or ebo ni or ebori no oni ebo. She just don't want, she know what she's looking for. And the book already only got me on not like, on me on no gualo. Because mana, human being, we don't make mistake. We don't make mistake a lot. Marulegbe. Egbe bon salo ba we wasin gbe o ona bie ya bie eji me hiane ya ome the wrong person. By the time you now realize well ya stay mana wo kian me hian survive, you take a walk then e wo di ya oge we. Ni my your story. Ni my no sunu wo wa when you to a judge. It don't born. Now today they start to see woman we they born from. I never see woman. I don't know woman we born for 6 men, 6 husband for Nigeria. The woman now don't old. Not be only she. A lot of stories like that. So why this time now social media don't come now? It don't turn to disease. Where be say if you born for 2 men, now that one don't fit cost you. You were born for 2 men. That one I would. Ekie illiteracy, ekie nenwe, all of who so. You can't get the privilege. Take marry man where be say they take care of you well. The other person not can't get the privilege. So you want make she die for that marriage, make she not take a walk. Why it be saying there's also women now that they attack? You born for 3 men, you born for 5 men. All those men, they not be human being. Why not they attack men? Say you marry 5 wives, you marry 3 wives. Why? Do what marry con? Now that one that they cost people. You born for Kokobiri. What it concern you? You get your own peku. She get her own. This is her life. Now she know how she want to live on. So why you they cry for her matter? It don't make sense, eh? So I beg Mona behave well. Mona they do things well. So that if una they talk, people go they watch una. Most of una they complain. We don't not have viewers. Viewers don't reduce. They lie you. Viewers don't reduce anything. Now una no they talk well. Una they talk nonsense. People don't tire for una rubbish. On my one, people they will get sense. Before you say something, say reasonable things. So that when people listen to it, they will say, okay. Don't start talking nonsense. They will just look you at the door, unfollow you. Then you can't complain. You can't complain. My brother, you say it's very bad for one woman to born for 4 men. Very bad. My brother, where you for grow? You not grow for Nigeria. For Nigeria that time, you know they see women where they born like that. They'll say, now my why did they see stepfather? Why did they see stepmother if it bad? Why is that word there? You think now only Nigerian women they do one? Oh, you both say they like that. I mean, you never know. Now this kind of thing, now they're supposed to the lecture woman. Why is this step? Why is that word step? Even Bible said it. Even Bible that time, no. Even people with their Bible that time, Moses and all. Eh? They get stepchildren. So what do you mean by it is a bad thing? Is it a sin or is it a disease? Can you tell me that? Can you tell me if it's a sin or a disease for a woman to born for more than one man? It's not a sin. Do you understand? It's not. Maybe there's something that happened. Maybe what about you born for one man, the man die? You say you're not gonna marry again, and you just born only one Pikin. Does that make sense? It doesn't matter. It's your life. So you as a man, if you are not married before, you marry. Before you marry, you check well. You said, my sister, single mother, too much. You understand? It doesn't matter. Do you know what the word is called? Single mother. Not the Benin word though. Not the Nigeria word. It's English word. This thing has been existing for so long. So you cannot change it right now. You live with it. You know that there is something like this. It's just that, like we now, you know that there is a man, there is a woman. When you see a man, you know that this is a man. You understand? You will see a woman, you will say this is a woman. When you see a man, you know it's a man. Fine, that is how single mother is. When you see single mother, you know, okay, this one is a single mother. You know if you want to go for it. And those single mother you are saying, we still have single father. Any man that have pregnant a woman and abandoned that woman is also a single father. And then they see single mother. All of them are put on for women body. Single mother. But they say they see single father. No. They say they see single father, but you people will say, the woman character not good. I cannot cope. I will take care of my children. But you are a single father too. You see? You people want the woman to suffer and bear. But you as a man, you cannot bear. Say, because of my children, make I bear this marriage. Mother, I beg, no verse, lead down, beg. If you don't want to be a single father. No, but it's good for you to be a single father. But you don't want a woman to be a single mother. You see? Now this is una mentality. Now I want to make una know they do again. It's not good. Because you will give that woman belle, you say she don't want you again. Because she wants single mother money, according to some people. Fine. But you not feel make sure say everything they okay. May you try everything by all means. It's okay, they go now. I don't want again. You come out again. You go pregnant another woman. That one said drive you. You are so stupid too. Yeah. As a man, you are stupid. You are becoming a single father too. Not only single mother they are seeing. They are also seeing a single father. If you are a man, you leave woman for Nigeria, woman born for you for Nigeria, and you not marry her. You know say you don't make that woman single mother. And you said you are a single father. Yeah, you can't call Europe. You get children. Yes, I get one from Nigeria. I get two from Nigeria. You are a single father. Exactly. So what is the crime there now? Single father and single mother. Is that a new disease? Or is it a new talk? Where will they grow? They come. We don't hear all those things tired. Even for Nigeria, you'll see man go marry 3 wives, 4 wives. They go born, some go come out, they'll go marry another man. They'll say, oh, era na him, oh, era na him. This is my stepfather. This is my stepmother. What is the meaning of that? Because is a single mother or single father. So what is that? Is that a sickness? No. If it's left for you to decide what to do with your life, people judging you on this head, it doesn't call for. That is what I'm trying to say. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't really call for. Everybody should think and think wisely. Single mother. And you are judging single mother, and you don't abandon one woman wey born for you because say she not get character. Are you not a stupid person? Woman born for you from Nigeria, you abandon her before you enter abroad. You know even they call that Pikin, you not a minor, and you are insulting single mother. Are you not mad? That is why I say most of you people have mental disorder. If before you judge case, before you judge, you think it to yourself that this thing happened to me. Okay, can I do this thing? As far you have done it and you are coming out to lash on women, that means you are stupid. You don't have sense. Yeah, because you already abandoned single mother too. So you are still single father. Exactly. So what are we not saying? What are we not saying now? So everything is sense, wisdom. If you don't have it, you don't have it, and you cannot buy it with money. That is why King Solomon, not only that thing he asked God, I need wisdom. When you have wisdom, you can conquer everything. People go the things say like jazz. People go the things say, I had this woman take maker, but now your wisdom, now they control you. So everybody go and pray for wisdom. When you don't have it, you don't have it, and you can't buy it. So you don't. If anything join enter those cyber space, it go just turn to another thing. What is mean by single? If anybody want to be a single mother, now the person choice. You don't say whether they keep person for our own choice. Like me now, I decided to eat rice today. You can't kill me put. Or I decided I don't want to eat rice now. Even though they bring the rice, I say I don't want to eat rice. I go eat a bar. That's my decision. That is how life supposed to be. Not criticizing somebody for what he or she did. And you are here and you have done the same thing. That time you are sick. You are mentally deranged. I tell you, now the truth. Okay, see now. If you marry Kokobiri, na problem. If you friend Kokobiri, na problem. Kokobiri, are they no human being? They have eyes, they have nose, they have mouth, they are humans. Like you and me. So what is that name all about? I don't understand. If you don't hear say that Kokobiri, once they reach where you dey, or once they carry you reach your country, they'll come kill you. That one not there. Or if you can't sleep with Kokogiri, you can't get one disease where you not go fit cure. You know they are just human. Ekinaya mwenio Maria, ekinaya disgrace egbe, ekinaya mwenio Maria. Una call it Kokobiri. Are they no humans? That is my question for today. Are they no human beings? So what is all this? Person do marriage. If you like, if papa and mama, like 4 people they there, that blessing, that is all she need from her parents, not even from your parents. If your parents, God bless them. Yes, so far she is alive. Thank you. If their parents don't bless them, that's all they need. You understand? They don't really need any other thing more than that. What it go in there? Agboama wa a marriage in ato. Uwa abi omobamo. Now only that one they don't need. Not all those canopy, all those big party, all those one are just formality. If you want to do it, you are free to do it. But if you don't want to, nobody will kill you. It's your life. You know, see the way they talk. Never mentality now they turn us so. And I don't know if you go well with everybody. I don't care. Exactly. So you people should stop criticizing people. Anything if they like, they say this man not did this head, now move day. If the woman thought say I love him, Muna let her marry him. If you don't reach there, you don't like him, go come back. You people should stop criticizing yourself for no damn reason. For no damn reason. For now see you they sick, now you sickness laughing. Una don't see person where they accept sickness. Go say I want this sickness. You don't una don't see. I don't understand. You don't get what una know they talk for una mouth. Where be so una forget say today, tomorrow day, next tomorrow day. This life na front they go, you know they go back. Oh that one agbori yeke. Anything where you sow today, you go reap out tomorrow. Anything you sow now, you will reap it. I don't understand. So la wo mama iye nu kokomo. La o. And next time uma chok be raven evina na ya na eki we Emma. Omaga when me because we want more. All your when you have life. Stop paying people back, paying evil with evil. It don't make sense. Yeah, maybe wafi or maybe no cow or cow ne, and now when you way, but heavy and na ugwale a dove. Because in here do I tell where enemy of progress and then it's okay, oh yeah, maybe for enemy no dey your baby, but next time, oh man now when in case of my may run one way plan one way, or yeah, we video that because they know when. But next time, oh yeah, when it tama where I will be very la wo ije. I will be very where we no kokomo we hin. And you walk towards it. As all other social media, oh guayon de bana. Eya ya guayon of social media. I de bana. Why are in between? Why talk on me talk on. Eya ya living life. And while I don't want the back bar, what gbenokpa, I will be video, EJ video, EJ, yes, your EJ, I'll cut this video now. My mom they call me EJ, yes, your more cocoa. Cook, asinya cocoa, agwana go. I had the back because if I yahi. I had the buy a okagbinya because if I yahi. Eya we like wa no are cyber space na no have respect eya we because ya no we agbin na ya munu ni ya kwa bege so ya mana ifi ya ma oni agwa is left for them but wa bege ne mi susugbe wo okay lads ya utogo na e de na eya we so la wo je very very ya gwa na generally and na we advice when we case na wa hwe wonwa no wonu we gugun no we gbe ya nata na wo we ge sunu because you joke ekedun we yiri we hia ne at least maybe you are more than 50 or like that so 50 years is not a memory so la wo so I say now we need time we na so me una we dey carry different rubber kokobiri no be kokobiri me dey ask una they no be human being abi if you marry they get a kind of infection where you can't get abeg me una leave person wey marry anyhow wey like to marry na life if you get money go do your own make it big in fact carry ITV carry everybody put that leave am abeg me I no understand wa temo ve wa mi here wa mu go emi na wa ko wa le go na wa le ko wa le egwe na wa ma beg wa mu go I understand I beg my people happy Sunday may I not spoil my day may I just rest now I relax so tomorrow when I work may I relax myself I too get too much work tomorrow too my sister will you follow your sister to marry kokobiri person na amas me no understand you kokobiri person no be person answer that question kokobiri no be human being follow your sister to marry kokobiri person why so far na this planet today they carry motor sometimes if you travel they say you still travel you see some kind things you're surprised now say if you see kokobiri village now you're gonna see what you never see for life their culture go different from us why you not go fit marry them why you fit you've got their village so far they don't they keep person there and even though that kind of thing that they even they keep person because the people they come they don't go want do nonsense you don't know so wetin come dey you feel born for her but you not feel marry her it makes sense it don't make sense now you understand it don't make sense I don't know whether they not be human being not be oh my sister will you okay I don't answer people don't they answer you muna not cause muna leave her yes because why a human being not mumu like yes because they are human being who be this person okay you dey answer them okay you are supporting single mother to marry have 4 children now for all different. I beg you. I don't know what they call support. I'm just saying the necessary talk where I need to talk. But people are just so dumb. They don't know what they call reality. Man, be like they don't know what they call reality. There's something you cannot change. You don't know. There's something you cannot change. You understand? There are some things. What is the problem? There are some things you cannot really change. Is there. So if you want to try and change it, that one will come be like, say, you understand? You can't be like, say, you can't change different things. Like, it don't make sense. There are some things you don't really change. If you want can't change, and you come be like, say, this idiot, what did they exist for years, and now you want change them? You don't feel change them. So if by trying to change it, it will come make you look stupid. It will come make you they offend a lot of people. Nigerian men know they marry other woman for another country. Mona, help me ask them. I never seen Nigerian woman we marry Cameroon. I never seen Nigerian woman we Nigerian man we marry Cameroon. I never seen Nigerian man we marry Ghana. I never seen Nigerian man. So why are not they focus on why be saying there's also women on the attack? Why? Be like say I can't start my program back. Men, why be saying there's also women on the attack? And that woman ain't born. Why? Anybody where you like, you marry. If you like, go marry man where come from Mu. Now your decision. So it's not of anybody business. If you like, marry small boy wait for us. So far the small boy family not complain. So far you yourself, if you like old pass the boy for 10 years. I don't say if any Nigerian now constantly come out where did the cyberspace now carry one small boy come out where be say the woman senior the boy with 10 years. They'll cause out of the shout. Hey, it's not good though. Charge abuse. But if you both do one, they'll call a poster for their war. Is that not an hypocrite? Now today they start to see woman we marry man with senior or man we marry woman with senior that today. But if you not do am now, you go come turn to child abuse. People will come the post and they'll come the talk nonsense on top. But it's not today. Not be today. It's not to be ring because they said age is not it's just a number. That love matters. You get some kind of thing we not go to see. Whether now they see am where you go make una dey carry am like say na sardine and bread. I don't know. Me, I don't see all those things pass. Now wetin me never see before. Now you go they shake my heart. Now you go they say, hey, this kind of thing I never see am before. How it they play? Now so they play. Say wetin me don't see pass. All this kind of thing. Where we say not be today. Even my junior sister, he married man from Ghana. From those states, when I go marry for Ghana, they carry bus go everybody go, but me I not go because that time I don't already there. They go Ghana. Now he and the boy come school for Nigeria. They can't see, they can't a friend, they can't go university together, do everything together. As they finish, that's how he marry. He marry her. Now Ghana and he and the parents they. The boy parents from Nigeria, he go Ghana. Anywhere your love there, you flew for your love. So what is all this? I don't understand. When are they use on our sense sometimes now? I know why you are very bitter because your baby mama no let you carry children benefit. That boy don't suffer from that. Una don't fire and not be smart. I just tire. It don't make sense, eh? Benefit woman can never marry Kokobiri. Braifa. Okay, Braifa woman can never marry Kokobiri. True. Trust me. Which one be Braifa again? Trust you. Can you put your hand in your juju now? Make you swear. So you know how the Braifa where they the word. Now Braifa not be Igbo people. Can you swear now? You carry juju come out now. Say swear. Can you be able to do it? Because you feel you know everybody. You don't know people. Some people now, some Igbo people now, they don't tell you say this person is Igbo. You not go know. So they feel married. You don't know who be Kokobiri. Kokobiri, what's that one mean? I don't understand. Kokobiri, are they no human being? When I don't let God come the first for that, people where God creates, no, they use mass to express so. I be they get two heads, you can't get one. They are human being for crying out loud. What is that? They are human beings. They have everything that you guys think you have. I don't get it. You can marry anywhere you like. Huh? So far that this planet, you go their culture, you see also different things they happen. I don't still like their culture. Now, so you happen, that is hard to do. People where they travel, people where really get brain. You want to see things. Why would they do vacation? Why would they travel? Why would they go Dubai? You can't go Dubai now. You can't join one man for Dubai now. From Dubai, you know if you marry her, because say they Dubai too far from Nigeria. Nothing, I'm not brain. And the man worship you, love you, you understand that you really love her, and you say you not go marry her because say they Dubai. Really? Ah, God. Or you can't go Mexico now. You can't see man from Mexico. You say you not go marry her because they're from Mexico. And you like the man. We have many Edo women that married them here in Paris. But I am sure Braifa can never do that. My sister. You are sure. Sure is not assurance. You have to be sure. If I tell you now, say, pull out for juju now. Not they talk like that. Then Edo State women marry them. Not be say they marry them because say that they find anything for their hand. They marry them because they need peace. If you go into details, you'll say they don't even fair date Edo men. Maybe it don't favor them. They can't see man. Wait, be say they take care of them well, they respect them. So what do you expect? What do you expect? You understand? What do you expect? Say maybe you can't see woman where man they take care of. Anywhere where you like you day, they must marry you. You understand? Because you not get woman where be say they'll put sugar for a man. Because say no, that they find bitter leaf. You know they. Most of all these kokobiri, they know how to treat a woman. They know because their culture show them how to treat women. I don't know if you understand. They know how to respect woman. I can't talk about her maybe later. They know how. That's why women always rush them because what you never see before, you can't see her for kokobiri hand. Why you not go respect them? Why you not go marry them? Maybe I don't like that, so you call her. Baby, can I get water? You go say yes. You go bring her for you. You go drink. You carry and go back. Call Nigerian man like that. Go ask you say you dey sick. What will be your problem? Your man not train you well. You call me. You dey sick. Come out off that live video, man. You can't carry water by yourself. That's so you go tell you. Fear not go even let you say that. You see the difference. You see the difference. So they know they are very arrogant. Not be all of them, most of them, they are arrogant. They don't even know how to treat a woman. Maybe you come from work, you say, oh, I'm tired. Kokobiri fit massage you. They fit tell you, okay, come and take a massage. But Nigeria say, hey, come out now, go bath now, I beg. Go find something for me, my chop. I never eat since morning. I eat there since morning, never cook. Kokobiri fit tell you, say, I've made dinner. Can you want to eat now or you want to take your bath first? You see? Why woman not go like that camera? You feel cause of a winner, man, shut up, get out. You go say, hey, go laugh. But call Nigeria. Cause Nigeria, you go call your papa for us. You go say, I don't ever see. They cost me so. Say, man, shut up. I can't. My wife, you never marry you.